Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Now we are staying at Sultan Shahi Gopalganj, Bangladesh. Aisha Tanis, Fatima Tanis, Marhum Hassan Didi, Marhum Muhammad Umar, Sadaqatun Jariyah, water oil donation, Masjidun Nurul Quran. Alhamdulillah. We are studying this deep tubewell, big budget deep tubewell. Alhamdulillah, Sultan Shahi Madrasa. A special thanks Nurul Quran Muhammad Fauzi, and a special thanks Maldives peoples. The donation this tubewell, Alhamdulillah, is very population area. This area is very population. This madrasa is famous madrasa, Alhamdulillah, big madrasa.